Nepal's shiny new Pokhara International Airport was meant to be a symbol of modern aviation. Instead, it has turned into the center of one of the country's biggest corruption scandals, and this time the finger is pointed straight at Beijing's construction arm. Nepal's anti-graft agency, the CIAA, has charged 55 individuals, including China CAMC Engineering, a state-linked giant, over what investigators call inflated costs, false billing, and deliberate manipulation. The numbers are staggering. Pokhara Airport was cleared at $145 million, but the cost ballooned to $286.5 million, almost double. Investigators say that didn't happen by accident. According to the Commission for the Investigation of Abuse of Authority, China CAMC acted with bad intentions, pushed up costs without justification, and pressured Nepali officials to approve inflated figures to secure illegal benefits. Letters were allegedly sent to bureaucrats asking them to raise the project price even before the tender process moved ahead. And the problems didn't end with the accounting. A parliamentary sub-panel found that millions were paid for work simply never done. $5.5 million for suitable soil. Delivered? No. $4.4 million to level and press the runway. Completed? Also no. Drainage work costing $10.6 million? Again, nothing on the ground. Even AC installation turned into a billing mess, with Nepal forced to pay an extra $742,000. Add to that a tax exemption worth 2.2 billion rupees granted to the Chinese firm, despite a contract that explicitly required them to pay taxes. And the airport itself, operational, yes, but flawed. A high-level aviation report says design limitations now restrict aircraft load capacity, impact takeoffs, and keep most international airlines away. Only one foreign flight currently operates, a weekly Pokhara-Lhasa route, notably via a Nepal-China joint venture. So now, what was once showcased as China-backed development cooperation has turned into a legal and diplomatic headache. Nepal's investigators want accountability, Beijing's state contractor stands accused, and the Pokhara airport, meant to make Nepal soar, is struggling to get off the ground. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.